Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a problem where you need to find the Airmatic Airmatic Compressor fuses relays on Mercedes GLC, that generation right here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, okay, to fix your Airmatic system. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Guys, check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The Airmatic fuses and relays, Airmatic compressor, guys, come to show you where you can expect to find them. We will be working, by the way, in up to 3 different fuse boxes. We may even need to check more. We'll talk about that. The first one is on the passenger side. Here you need to open the passenger door, and guys, here on the side of the A pillar you have a cover. Open it. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, okay, what we need to check here specifically, okay, let's talk about that now. We're talking in that row right here. If you have the Airmatic suspension, that's fuse number 317, 318, 319, 320. You will have a fuse right here that you will, guys, need to check. Then you need to open the hood. When you open the hood on the driver's side here, you see that cover comes up, and underneath is the fuse box. Okay, engine fuse box. Now here you need to check fuse 114. You see that big fuse right here. You need to check that one, and you need to check relay, guys, relay R. Okay, we're talking about that relay right here that you will need to check. We're not done, guys. We'll recommend, okay, to check another one. It's in the trunk. Open the trunk, leave the cargo cover up. See that flap? Remove it. And under that flap you're going to find the trunk fuse box, and here you need to check fuse number specifically now 424. Some of you will have it. It will be the first fuse in that row here. Now, if you still have problems with the Airmatic compressor problems, guys, if you still cannot fix it, fuses are good, you may want to check fuses relays for the front, rear, SAM control module, front and rear SAM module. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that. And you may want to check the pre-fuse boxes. If you don't know where the Mercedes GLC pre-fuse box is located, we have the video on the channel that will teach you about that too. It's a hidden fuse box with mega fuses that control multiple systems, and if one of those is bad, it can cause problem with the airmatic system in some cases too. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.